If you are an educator or if you want to teach something to a larger audience, then you need a platform to do that. Now, during the COVID situation, many companies came up, many learning management solutions came out. Many of them were cheap, many of them were expensive, but one LMS or one learning management system did stand out, and that is known as Teachable. Now, Teachable is one of my favorite learning management systems, and this video is all about Teachable. Now, I will not take much of your time on this video. There is an offer which Teachable is running right now. I think it is till the 31st of March 2021, and I'll be telling you more about this offer during the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. Now, this video I'm going to talk about why someone should buy Teachable, why is it better than the other learning management solutions or systems, and how you can kickstart your course business or course selling business with Teachable. Now, Teachable, for anyone who's new to the platform, is a solution which is self-managed. It is a cloud solution, it's self-managed cloud solution, which is built to create, host, and to sell your courses. And this platform also allows you unlimited students, unlimited courses, so that you, once your courses are live, you can simply put them on a platform of Teachable and you can start selling this course to your students globally. You only need to focus on building that course of yours, building the best course ever, and marketing that course to a global audience using whatever modes of marketing you wish: Google ads, Facebook ads, word of mouth, WhatsApp campaigns, anything and everything. You can simply focus on your marketing efforts, selling your course, and let Teachable handle the platform and the load of students for you. So that's how good Teachable is, and it is a proven platform globally. I had evaluated many other learning management solutions in the past, including Moodle, which is an open source platform, completely free. Then you have LearnDash, which is very similar to that of Teachable, one of my second favorites, but Teachable still is my first favorite. The reason LearnDash is my second favorite is because it is a WordPress plugin and you need to host it on a WordPress platform. Now, WordPress hosting is not cheap. You have to go to a provider like Hostinger or any other provider like GoDaddy, SiteGround, and likes of those in order to just host your website. And once you start loading your website with courses, you're going to have traffic coming in. The moment you kickstart your business of selling courses and you get traction, you get success, the amount of people, the amount of students who are going to come into your platform on LearnDash is going to be on your WordPress hosting. That pressure is going to be on your WordPress hosting, and the students are not going to get that quality when they start learning your courses on WordPress, which is powered by LearnDash. So because of that, I like Teachable. You simply focus on your course, your delivery, make it the best course ever, host it on Teachable, market it, and forget about it. And just start selling your courses and make money. That's why I really love Teachable. Yes, there are many other platforms like Teachable, but Teachable stands out because it's proven. Many of the educators they use it, many of the course sellers they use it. I have personally used Teachable as a course creator as well as a course receiver, and Teachable's experience has been really good. I previously did a video on GuruKan. GuruKan as an LMS is really similar to that of Teachable, and it really helps you in the likes of Teachable as well. But still, I feel Teachable stands out because Teachable is a much proven organization, much proven company, and it has stable reputation. So if you're serious about your course selling business, I think Teachable is something you should try and take it forward with. If you want to try Teachable, I have put a link in the description below for a 14-day free trial. So go ahead and get yourself the free trial and test out Teachable. But if you're serious about your course selling business, I wouldn't recommend you take the trial. You can take the trial for 14 days, get yourself together, get your courses together, and then move to a paid plan, a plan which may be basic or professional or pro. I don't recommend the highest plan because for people who are just getting started, basic plan is good or the pro plan is good. The highest plan for starters, I don't think it's nice. I personally started off with the basic plan and then promoted myself to the pro plan, but it's your choice, the direction you want to go ahead with. It's up to you. I have put down a link in the description below regarding the plans and its comparison as well, so you can select your plan and go ahead with the plan which suits your requirement the most. Different people have different requirements, so that's the reason I'm not giving you a link for a basic plan or a pro plan. I'm giving you the link for the comparison of Teachable in this video. So go ahead in the description and check out the plans of Teachable and select a plan which suits you. Just to note, the trial 14-day free trial is for the pro plan, and if you would like to go to the basic plan or continue with the pro plan, that is up to you after the trial ends. Now, Teachable as a platform is something which pays for itself. If you select the basic plan, which is maybe $39 a month, if you go with the monthly plan, and if you're serious about your course building career or the hustle, you can definitely make up for the bill which Teachable is giving you within the second or third month. Because your course would be priced at around $30 or $50 or even lesser. But then, if you do the marketing right, you would get enough participants use your course, and that is how you would make up that investment which you are giving to Teachable. Now, Teachable is not only a course delivery platform, it is also a course marketing platform because with Teachable, you get a landing page, and using this landing page, you can sell your courses to the wider audience. Now, if you are going on to Teachable and if you want to sell to a larger audience, just to note, if you are going with a basic plan, you would have to pay a certain percentage of the transaction fee, but on the pro plan it has zero transaction fee. Now you can go ahead with the basic plan and not sell on the Teachable platform, sell it externally, but then enroll your students on Teachable as and when the purchase happens. That is perfectly fine, and Teachable does not take any transaction fee if you are selling externally but enrolling your students onto the platform. Teachable also does not take any transaction fee if you are going to sell free courses to your participants or students. Now, if you want to know how you can sell externally and then enroll your students into the courses on Teachable automatically, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because I will be making a video on that specific topic shortly. And if you hit the bell icon after subscribing to my channel, you would be notified when that video is live for you to watch. So that is something amazing, and you can really do that if you are going ahead with the basic plan. But if you're going ahead with the pro plan, you really don't have to worry about the transaction fees. It is zero when it comes to transaction fee on the pro plan. Now, on this channel, I give you honest reviews, honest feedbacks about products and solutions. So there is a hidden fee, hidden charge, which I need to make you aware about. Now, if you are using the payment gateway of Teachable, if you're using the platform of Teachable to sell your courses, and irrespective of you being on a basic plan or a pro plan, you are selling your courses to your students or anyone externally, you do have to pay a processing fee. The processing fee is one and the same irrespective of the plan. You have the same processing fee on basic, pro, and business variants of Teachable. The transaction fee, however, is 5% for the basic plan, 0 for pro, and 0 for business. That's the transaction fee which Teachable is charging, and the processing fee is from the payment gateway which is on Teachable. So these are two different topics, and you need to be aware about that. However, if you want to sell your courses externally and then simply enroll your students onto Teachable once the payment is done, that is also possible. Teachable is integrated with multiple APIs and connectors, and I would be showing that in my upcoming video. Now, Teachable is running a month-end offer until the 31st of March 2021. That is, if you subscribe to the Pro plan of Teachable, you would get bonus materials of up to $4,800 along with your monthly subscription of Teachable. Now, the monthly plan of Teachable is $119, but then you would also benefit from a discount on the monthly plan. You would get it for $99. So on Teachable, you would get the plan for $99. It would be a monthly recurring subscription. So if you want to go and cancel it, you need to manually go and cancel the plan. Otherwise, you would be charged on a recurring basis. So that is the offer which you have. You get access to Teachable U, which is a platform which Teachable has created to train content creators like yourselves, course creators like yourself, and to polish your skills so that you can become a better course creator as you progress on Teachable and at a personal platform. You would also be getting access to Teachable HQ, wherein you would be able to share ideas and interact with other like-minded course creators so that you can take your skill up a notch along with the other creators in the community. Further, you would also get 5 business building courses along with the package. And since Teachable is running a summit, at the moment you would get unlimited replays of the summit along with this package. The summit is known as Women Create 2021, and you would get unlimited replays with the bundle which you're going to sign up on. Further, you can also get a weekly live coaching so that you can have the one-on-one interaction with a team of people, students as well as educators, professionals in your field, and you can brush up your skills and make yourself even better, even perfect through the platform. Again, this offer is till the end of the month, till March 31st, 2021, and it is on the Pro plan. If you say that I'm not ready for the Pro plan, I want to get started with the monthly plan, or I want to get started with the trial, the 14-day free trial, then do that. If you want to get started with the trial, I have the link in the description below. Get started with the trial. If you're happy with Teachable, if you want to get started with the paid plan, just go to the comparison link, select the plan which you choose, basic, pro, or business. If I would be you, I would have selected basic. So select the plan of your choice and then get started with Teachable. Upload your course materials if it is ready. Otherwise, prepare your course first and then jump onto Teachable. Just hit one of the buttons in the description below. There is a free trial button, there is a comparison table, there's a comparison page wherein you can go and get more details about the plan you like and choose the Teachable offer which you want to choose from. If you want to get the offer for the 2021 special bundle, you can do so by clicking on the link below as well. So until my next video, stay safe, take care, and have a nice one.